With 20 plus years of enabling business transformation, we at C3IT build smart solutions for complex business problems. Being an ownership-driven boutique firm with a customer-centric approach, high quality and agility are the foundation for each project at C3IT. Our solutions accelerate productivity and build efficiencies, giving an edge to your competitiveness. Data transformation. We enable businesses to make data-driven, impactful decisions via converting data into intelligence. Data collection, data visualization, sentiment analysis, image analytics, and creating futuristic insights. Process automation. We help in accelerating efficiency via boosting ROI with business process automation, voice-based bot, process modeling, defining rule-based workflows, natural language processing. Digital platforms. We make businesses future-ready via digital transformation, collaboration portals, integrated business applications, managed services. As a 15-year-old Microsoft Gold partner, C3IT brings strategic value to your business as a trusted technology partner. Speak to our experts to know more.